Some of the other options that we offer for ventilation are side windows. They're vinyl sliding windows with a screen. And I highly recommend everybody consider getting vinyl windows on the side of the greenhouse. The auto vents are nice, but over time I've learned that it's just not quite enough. You really need some cross ventilation. So that's what the side windows give you, is that cross ventilation, the air flowing side to side. Your plants need fresh air. So the auto vents up top allow the heat out, but the side windows allow that cross flow ventilation and brings more air in the greenhouse. And for some smaller greenhouses, like an 8x12, you'll only need one on each side. But as you get into larger greenhouses, you'll need more than one on each side, maybe two on each side, maybe three on each side for the larger greenhouses. This is a 12x28 that I'm sitting in, 3 vinyl windows on the left, 3 vinyl windows on the right, and auto vents up top. And the plants are very healthy.